Hello, May, and good afternoon.
Hello, teacher.
Yes, I'm so sorry to keep you waiting. I don't know why. It's only today that my laptop couldn't turn on earlier, so I was worried. But it's all right now. I just had to click the power button again and again. Anyway, how's everything with you, Mayan?
Yes.
How's everything going, Mayan?
Well, what can you say again?
How's everything going?
I'm going to the class. I'm going to the
Pardon?
study math. I'm studying math.
Oh, you studied math. Very good. Oh, by the way, if somebody asks you like, how's everything going? You could actually answer like, oh, not good. Or you can say, everything's going well. This is the same thing asking with, how are you? Like that. It does not literally mean like, where are you going? No, that's different. So if I ask you, how's everything going? You can say, everything's going good. Like, I'm doing great, like that. Or you could also say like, oh, it's really bad, like that. All right, Mayan?
Yes.
Yes. Anyway, Mayan, is it okay if we'll just have 35 minutes class today? But don't worry because I will tag myself late for 5 minutes. Yes, I cannot extend my time because I have next student. So I will just put um 35, I mean 40 minutes, but still I will tag myself late. Okay, anyway, so we are now in Unit 12. It's all about sports. Okay, what are sports, Mayan?
Mm, as I think it's just like badminton or hockey or play soccer.
Very good. Okay, so those are the different sports that you know. Okay, so what sport do you play, Mayan?
And play badminton and play hockey.
Very good. Okay, so today we're going to talk about sport. So of course, it's the same as usual. So in this unit, there is vocabulary, phrases, reading, and discussion. So let's look at this one. So in here, I want you to look, listen, and repeat, then read the sample sentence. Play sports. Practice
Play
sports.
sports. Practice sport.
Very good. Okay, so what is the sample sentence, Mayan?
Mm, as soon as I play badminton or hockey or soccer.
Oh, wait. Here, the sample sentence is, we should play sports every day to improve our health. So this is the sample sentence on this book. So in here, when we say play sports, that means we have to engage in physical activities such as badminton, tennis, soccer, volleyball, basketball. So when we say practice sports, that means we're going to train a specific sport. Like train for I'm going to train, I'm going to attend a training for badminton like that. So that is practice sports. Now let's make a sentence, Mayan, using each of the phrases. So we have here play sports like example. Many children love to play sports after school to stay active and have fun with their friends. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
My brother plays sport every time.
Very good. Okay, what about practice sports? Example, professional athletes must practice sports diligently to maintain their high level of performance. So, what's your sentence?
My friends only practice sport
Very good. Okay, now next we have here competition.
competitions.
Very good, Mayan. Okay, so when we say competition, that means we are joining a contest. Okay, amo, if we join a competition, that means we have to win because we are competing against each player. So that is a contest. So what are examples of competition? Just like sports competition, a quiz in school, like that singing competition. Those are examples of competition. So for example, the competition between the two schools was intense, with both teams giving their best effort to win the championship. So that is my examples, Mayan. What about you? Can you make a sentence using competition?
My school have so many competitions that yeah,
One more, please.
um my school has so many competitions.
Okay, great, Mayan. Now, next we have in here win, winner.
When winner,
Very good. So when you win, that means you achieved a victory or you succeed in that competition. That is win. Okay. But if you say winner, then of course you're not the loser. You are the champion. Okay. So example, win. After months of hard work and dedication, my sister won the game. Okay. So I use won because won is the past tense of win. Okay. So can you make a sentence using win, Mayan?
mm, wait, uh, my sister always win when she plays game.
Very good. Okay. Now next we have in here winner. Okay. So my sentence for that one is the winner of the basketball game celebrate in school. What's your sentence?
Mm, my friend is a winner. Uh, is a winner of basketball games in my school.
Very good. Okay. Now, next we have here lose or loser. Oh, by the way, Mayan, I forgot to tell you that win is a verb and winner is a noun. Okay. I win the game, so I am a winner, like that. So we also have here lose, that's also a verb. So when you say lose, that means you fail to win the game or you fail to win the competition. For example, despite their best efforts, Team A was very disappointed to lose the final match of the competition. So that is lose. Okay, but when we say loser, this is the person or this is a noun. Okay, like a person who fail to win the competition. That is loser. Okay, for example, even though that she was the loser in the race, she felt proud of her performance and hard work in that race. So what's your sentence, Mayan? Can you make a sentence using lose?
Um, I always lose when I'm play hockey with my friends.
Pardon, one more, please.
Um, I always lose when I'm play hockey with my friends.
Very good. Okay, what about loser?
My my mom, wait, my friend is a loser when she plays soccer with the boy.
Okay, great. Thank you for that, Mayan. Okay, now next we have here athlete.
Athlete,
Very good. Okay, now look, Mayan, what is an athlete?
mm, is a I think athlete is a pupil that play the I think they play sport and have so many competitions.
Wow, great. Okay, yes, you are correct. Like an athlete is also called a sportsman. For example, if you play badminton, you are an athlete. If you play basketball, of course you are an athlete. Okay, like my example for athlete is the athlete trained every day to prepare for the upcoming competition. So what's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, my cousin is an athlete hockey.
One more time. My cousin is an athlete.
Hockey.
Okay. Thank you for that one, Mayan. So, Mayan, instead of saying my cousin is an athlete hockey, you can actually just say my cousin is an athlete. She plays or he plays hockey. Like that.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So, we don't say athlete hockey because athlete this is already a noun and hockey is also a noun. Yes. Now let's look at this one. So we have here a professional athlete. So when we say you are a professional athlete, that means being an athlete is your main job. You make a living by doing sports. For example, uh, um, as a professional athlete, she spends most of her time training and competing in international tournaments. Okay. So when we say tournaments, it's like a competition. Yes, that's the same thing with a competition. So just like what I told you earlier, when you are a professional athlete, you are making it as your job. You don't do other job. For example, I play basketball. Okay, so being a professional basketball player, then that is my job. I make a living out of that. And of course, I gain money by playing basketball. So that is a professional basketball player. So same thing with a professional athlete. It's just that athlete is a general term for a person who plays sports. Okay, Mayan? Hello, Mayan?
Mm, what?
Can
Please
you
again.
hear can you hear me?
Yes, I'm here. Yes, I
Or
can hear you.
okay, great. So what's your sentence with a professional athlete, Mayan?
Mm, I think my country had so many professional athletes.
Okay. Thank you for that, Mayan. Do you want to be a professional badminton player?
No.
Okay, great. Now look, we have in here healthy.
Healthy.
Very good. Yes, I know you know the definition of the word healthy. Okay. So Mayan, what is healthy or what's the meaning of healthy?
Mm, healthy is the lifestyle. Very I think it's the life we don't have and wait.
One more, please.
Healthy is life that wait. Healthy is the life we don't have any what any sick.
That's right. You are free from illness. So that means you are physically fit. That is healthy. Okay. So for example, eating a balanced diet and exercising regularly are important habits for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Yes, those are just the basic ones. We kept on hearing about having a balanced diet, exercising regularly. Yeah, they are basic, but we tend to forget those basic things that we can do to have a healthy lifestyle. Yes, and there is a famous saying that says health is wealth, and that is always true. Because if we're not healthy, then what can we do? We cannot do anything that we want to do if we're not healthy. Okay, that's why it's very important to have a balanced diet and to exercise regularly. Okay, so do you have a balanced diet, Mayan?
Yes. Yes, I am.
Hello, Mayan?
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Uh, yes. Mm, I think I want a balanced life.
Okay. Thank you for sharing that one, Mayan. So now we have in here stay healthy. So when we say stay healthy, this is actually a common expression that we use to encourage someone to maintain a good physical and mental well-being. For example, if I can see you that you are not feeling good or you are sick, then I would say, hey man, stay healthy, like that. So this is just a common phrase that we use. Or sometimes we use this one as an advice. Yes, like avoid eating junk foods, stay healthy. Like that. That is stay healthy. Okay. So now my sentence for stay healthy is, let me think. We have to stay healthy because it's one of the important things to do. What's your sentence, Mayan?
Mm, I think we will to stay healthy because it's so good for my body.
Okay, great. Thank you for that. Now, next we have here keep fit.
Keep fit.
Okay. So what do you mean by keep fit, Mayan?
I think keep fit is I think they are. I think they will play sport when when I want to have a beautiful body.
Very good. So it means to maintain physical fitness by doing regular exercise and having a healthy lifestyle. Or in short, we say it, stay in shape or stay healthy. That means to keep fit. Okay, example. To keep fit, I always jog every morning and I follow a balanced diet. So what are your ways to keep fit, Mayan?
I think my older sister, uh, she plays sport every day because she needs to keep fit.
Great. Okay. Now next we have wow, so we are done. So this time, Mayan, let's have a review. I'm going to tell the definition of each word that we learned. Then you're going to tell me the word. Let's see if you can remember and let's see if you learned something. All right?
Yes.
Great. So number one, this means being in a good physical or mental condition and you are free from diseases or sickness. What's that?
It's healthy. I think it's healthy.
What's your sentence? I mean, what word is that? I'm sorry.
I think it's healthy.
Healthy. Very good, Mayan. That's right. Okay, now what about this one? These these are the these are no, not that. Okay, so in here, this means to engage in physical activities or games that where you compete with other team. What is that?
Uh, what I think is um oh when winner. I think it's win.
Win?
Yes.
Ah, nice try, Mayan. Actually, this is play sports. When you play sports, you're going to engage in physical activities where you have to compete with other team like that. Okay, now what about this one? This is like a contest where you have to compete with other um players. What's that?
I think it's competition.
Very good. Okay, one more competition.
I think it's athlete.
Okay. Now, what about this one? This refers to a person who win the game.
I think it's winner.
That's right. Very good. Okay, now last one, Mayan. So here, this refers to the person who uh who is passionate in sport.
Mm, I think it's a projection athlete.
Athlete. Great job, Mayan. Okay, so do you have any question about the words from our vocabulary?
No.
Nice. So well done, Mayan. So now let's move on with our reading and discussion. Okay. Now let's look at this. I want you to look and read, please. It's all about Peter talks about playing sports.
Mm, I have had a patience for playing sports since I was a little boy. When I was little, I often played football on the road with the children in my village. We played every afternoon. Now I am busy, but I play sports every day and I play many kinds of sports such as football, table tennis, and swimming. Playing sport is good for both mental and physical health. It's not only help me be strong, but also help me reduce stress and feel relaxed. Football is the most favorite sport of mine. I can play football continuously for nearly 90 minutes with, without feeling tired or exhausted. I play football with my friends twice a week. I would like to try playing tennis or golf. Actually, I have never played them, and when seeing other people play them, I feel very interested. But as you know, they are the sport which costs a lot of money to play. We can also learn many good things from playing sports. First, we can learn how to work or collaborate with our teammates to achieve a common goal. Second, we can learn to accept failure, thoughts we have tried a lot, which is a valuable lesson in life.
Very good, Mayan. Thank you so much for reading this one, Mayan. So far, so good. All pronunciations are correct. Okay, so do you have any question in here, especially with the phrases that are highlighted?
I think I don't know how that.
Okay, when you say exhausted, that means you are extremely tired. For example, I worked 24 hours for 3 days. I am exhausted. That means I'm so tired. That is exhausted. All right.
Yes.
Okay, anything else, Mayan?
No.
Anything else?
No, teacher.
No. All right. So in here, Mayan, let me ask you a question based on this book. So does Peter love sport?
Mm, yes, yes.
Great. Since when?
Mm, he play when wait.
Okay,
Mm,
when he was a little boy. Okay,
uh,
so what are Peter's favorite sports?
mm, she no wait. His favorite sport is playing football.
Yes, man.
His favorite sport is football.
Okay, thank you for that. Now, what are the benefits of sports to health?
Like benefit. Um, and basketball playing sport. One thing sport the first we can learn. Um, what are the benefits of sport? Um, I think playing sport is good for both mental and physical health.
That is right. And of course, it helps us to reduce stress and feel relaxed. Okay, which sports does Peter want to try?
Mm, he want he would like to try playing tennis or golf.
Very good. What can we learn from playing sports?
Mm, I think we can learn how to work or cooperate with our teammates to achieve a common goal.
Very good, Mayan. Wow, great. Thank you so much for answering my question, Mayan. What about you, Mayan? Okay, are you good at sports?
I think it's no.
Ah, really? Okay, since when have you started playing badminton?
Mm, I think I playing badminton when I think it's when I'm 11 years old.
Nice. Okay, so which sports would you like to try, Mayan?
Mm, I want to try race. I think I want to try basketball.
Okay.
I think the sport I like to try is basketball.
Wow. Okay, why do you want to try it?
Because basketball helped me to I think taller than I'm small.
All right. Do you like watching sports on TV, Mayan?
No,
Yes or no?
no, I don't.
Hello, Mayan.
Um, yes, I'm here.
Oh, you do. All right. So thank you so much for answering my questions, Mayan. Actually, Mayan, I don't know why, but sometimes I couldn't hear you well. It's probably the signal. So tomorrow, okay, so I want you to check your signal before you join the class, and we'll just call it a day. Then tomorrow I will also check I will also enter the class before our time so that I can check if everything is in condition on my side. So thank you so much for today, Mayan, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye, Mayan.
Yeah, goodbye, teacher.